So in this theory, Maslow was going to divide into five needs of minimum human being to fulfill all these. Okay, now we will just go through the what are the needs in the Maslow is going to ordered given below. First, physiological needs. Physiological needs are called food, water, shelter. These are the minimum needs of one person or any human being survive in the society. Basic needs we need to fulfill first. Then after we going to think about other needs. Okay. First we should go through the needs which we have to survive in the society or in we are alive to fulfill water, food, shelter, cloth. All these are very important needs, and these are the physiological need to stand on the earth effectively. So we just go through the first five physiological needs are very important for the person to survive. Next, safety and security needs. These are called income, place of life, health, and well-being. That means we just complete the physiological needs successfully. We just focus on the safety and security. Okay, that means we need will appear the so-called safety needs. Safety needs refer to the person desire for security protection. Basically everything looks less important than a safety and protection, because that means we should go through the security process. That means we just have some um, we just have some peaceful and safety unwavering society makes us feel safety enough from the critical assurance. Okay, next, belonging and love. Integration to social groups, feel part of community group, affectionate relationship. If both the physiological and safety needs are fulfilled, the affection, love, belongingness need come into prominence. Maslow claimed people need to belonging and accepted among their social groups. Group size does not mean anything. Social groups can be large and small. People need to love and be loved. Okay, here it is called belonging needs are called. We should be create a group, and we should also have some part in the community. I'm the person having a relationship with my friends, and we should belonging the people who has to give a support to us, and also we have to give a support to them also. Like we will have some belongingness, we should be improve that to survive in the society. This is also very useful need. And next, esteem, self esteem need. Respect for a person as a usual honorable human being. In our society, most people long for a stable and high valuation of themselves, for the esteem of their, for self-respect and self-esteem. Esteem means being valued, respected, and appreciated by others. Human need to feel to be valued, such as being useful and necessary in the world. That means people fulfill a physiological need, social needs, and security needs, as well as belonging needs. We just go through the esteem need. That means we should have some improve our value into the society by our self actualization. That means self motivation, and also we should appreciated by the people to do a good work, maintain good very well-being condition in the society. The esteem need is also very important for a person to improve his self and doing some work well. Next, self-actualization need. That means individually everybody has a desire. I wanted to get this. I wanted to fulfill this. Like we have some goal that we should focus what we need to complete and what we need to achieve and what we need to get. All people must be think it is my goal, it is my objective. According to the goal and objective, we just go through and we just try to fulfill that. That means every person born in the society, the born is for useful for doing something. For that something is called we will get fulfill our goal. We should put a goal. This is a I'm a human being. I must be think. I have a mental ability and intellectual ability. So I need to complete this work. I need to fulfill this task. Like we should have some self actualization to every person, and he is going to fulfill that goal. Then you can actualize your self goal effectively. These are the needs are very important. Five needs are given by the Maslow. These are the needs of person to survive in the society. Thank you.